It's not uncommon for havoc to break loose at home or when you're out and about. Whether it's a fidgety child in the backseat of the car, siblings frustrated by a fight, or a wild child who refuses a nap, you need something to cut through the chaos and calm the kids down. Lavender and Balance to the rescue. Renowned for its calming properties, lavender is always great to have close by. Balance oil can ease feelings of tension and help to create an atmosphere of relaxation. Try lavender in a car diffuser or spray some on your children's car seat for smoother travel. You can also put some on the bottom of your baby's feet before you run errands to promote peaceful feelings while you're at the store. No matter the situation, there are many ways you can use lavender essential oil. Keep it on hand and try using it in a new way every day.